2025 Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and I turn them into delicious dishes. This is year 30 that I am creating these menus. They have gotten more sophisticated and a lot more fun. This year's theme is Latin-esque. For our first appetizer, for Wicked, we have winged, air-fried chicken wings with 2 sauces, a spicy beet and a green goddess. Wing deserves the chance to fry, and if we're eating them solo, we want a sauce per which. 1 for Galinda and for Elphaba the bitch. No, she's not. She's great. And these wings are just delicious. I decided I have to honor both Glinda and Elphaba. We've got some spicy beet sauce. So good. No, I'm getting, oh, that's got such nice spice. For Elphaba, she is a goddess, fighting for the rights of the animals and everybody else. So she needs her own delicious goddess sauce. Fresh, herbaceous. Now, just to be clear, I love the Broadway play. I did not expect a lot from the movie, and I really was pleasantly surprised. I can't wait to eat these wings more. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.